Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. In the previous video we seen how to make the control over the speed of snake, and here today we are going to discuss about the scoreboard, how we are going to draw the scoreboard into the game screen. So for drawing this one we have to make a variable called score. We have to define score here. Score that is equals to pygame.sys.font. So we have to assign this one to this. So after making this variable, we have to create a new function for score. We have to make another function for score like score. Score. In this score we have to call like score. So score dot render, this will change this render into the application like render is used. Render, here you have to write this your text like your score plus str of, this is making the string like the score. So here we are calling the score, so it should be in red. It should be in red color. After, to draw this score text into the screen, we have to call the function like pygame, not pygame, like screen dot blit. We have to call that v here, v comma coordinates where we are going to place this one, and that's it about this function. Let's call this function here like after getting this length block, we have to call that function there. So let's call this like score of, so we have to make like length -1. Here we are making it -1. Why? Because we already initialized it with a 1 in the starting, so we have to subtract that 1 from this score. And let's run this one and see what is the output. So it's showing an output error like it is at least 3 arguments. Like render, something spelling mistake will be there, like let's see here, history of string, render. Here we mistaken, like we have to give here true. So that's it. Let's run this one. See here, if you are going here like the score is increasing like 1, 2, 3. So if you want to increase your font size of the screen, like then we can make like, you can change it over there, like you can change this like 50, then it will be bigger. See here, your score is 0 here. So let's run this one. See, it is increasing. And the last part is there, like we have to increase the snake tile. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this scoreboard, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you.